It's weirdly difficult to capture a scrolling video of a website. So today we're releasing a free tool on our website, howdygo.com. Scroll right down to the footer and you'll find it there. Just plug in a website URL. It can be anything, your homepage, an article that you've recently published. Select your format. We support Webm, MP4, and GIF, and select your aspect ratio so you can generate beautiful vertical videos, horizontal landscape videos, or a square video for Instagram. You can use these for all different types of things. For example, maybe putting a GIF preview of an article into your email campaigns, sharing a new website launch on LinkedIn or Twitter, or maybe even Instagram. Whatever you want to use it for, it's completely free. We can't wait to see you over there. And while you're there, maybe check out our interactive product demo tool, which is fantastic for SaaS companies to demonstrate how their products work. You can embed a demo straight into your website and remove the barriers from prospects experiencing your app. Check us out, howdygo.com. My name's Tom. I'm one of the co-founders here. It's fantastic to have you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.